Welcome back to the channel, guys. And now we are sitting in the vehicle, okay? We're sitting in the vehicle. We're trying to figure out, because we got to move this headliner now, so let's get this thing out of here. Start loosening these screws right here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's what we're gonna do. Sitting in this thing, I hate to even sit back. Like I say, I didn't do a 100% job on this thing now. I just did what I had to do, you know? Okay. Right now, put it in the cup holder there. It can be there. Or when I'm finished, I can just screw it back in these holes. Alright. Alright, there we go. That should come on out. Yep, so now, let's see. Now that's good. Maybe one behind this thing right here. Let's see. Don't want to mess around because you can cut. Oh, I think I already see. Okay. Don't want to mess around because you can cut your hand on anything in here. Okay, there we go. I think there we go. Let's see. Let's see. Oh yeah, they coming. They coming. Yeah, they coming. Okay, let's see. I think there it is. Yeah, there it is. Throw that right there. Okay, so now this thing, or this thing right here. Okay, I think. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's put that one back in a little pouch, and let's get a flat head. Let's get a flat head, okay? Let's get a flat head. Put it in there, and let's see what we can do here. There we go. Because I doubt I'm going to be using those in there again. And I think, what is that? Got a forehead. I think we need a forehead. I'm going to leave some of the stuff out because I don't need to be taking it in and out if I'm going to need it again. Okay. Let's see, what type of forehead is that? Let's try this one. Let's try it. Let's see. That's good enough. Good enough. Good enough. Okay. Got that one. Okay. Hard to do this. Let me hold the camera. Oh, guys. Okay. Be hard dagged. Oh, I'm looking at the stuff. Fiberglass. I can tell it's mixed with fiberglass. And that stuff is itchy. And I don't like it. I'll be itching for days. So we're going to move on. Okay, we're gonna move on because I don't want to itch. Hold on. Don't want to itch. So we're gonna move on. Yep. Don't want to itch, so we're going to move on. Okay. Let's go across here to the other side. Oh, okay. That's a better shot, I think. Yeah. Better shot. There we go. Hey. Let's see. Yeah. Got that one out. Come on. There you go. There you go. Hope this one don't have power. Got power. No, it don't. Go to the ground. Okay, now this right here. Yeah, that's cool. Pull those down, they hold. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Now, let's go to the forehead again. Let's get the forehead again, guys. Let's get it. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Oh, no. Okay. Come on. Hold it. You can do it. Put your back into it. Crazy. You can do it. Put your back into it. Going crazy on that thing, boy. All right. All right. Oh Lord, this man, this fiberglass bugging me out, guys. Let's see if we can stick this through there. Okay, yeah, but that ain't a forehead. Okay, probably can stick that through there and get that. But I know I'm gonna be itching tonight. I can already feel it in my skin. Hate this part of it when you're doing this. Man, that was rough. Oh man, woo, that was rough. Woo, rest my arm. Jesus, that was pretty tight. Pretty tight indeed. All right. Let's get this thing. Let's get it. Oh, Jesus, my arm. My arm. Oh, rest for a second, boy. All right. I don't like the rest. I really don't. I don't like the rest. I like to get it done. I really do. I like to get it done. No resting. No resting, but sometimes you gotta rest. Sometimes you gotta rest. Sometimes you have to rest. And the wire harness didn't get burned. It just got a little blackened, but it didn't get burned. Okay. Yeah. I think it's already loose. Loose it would be. So tough. Sit there for a minute, guys, while I work on this. Oh yeah. He off. Alright. Like I said, I'm gonna leave that alone for right now. Hopefully this is just hanging in here with the headliner itself. And we pull the headliner out, just come out with it. Let's go to the back. Okay. Forgot to lock this door. Well, I didn't meant to lock it. I was playing with it and it locked. Okay. Let's get the sheet. Of course, I don't feel comfortable sitting on the regular seat. I just don't. Okay. Sit this in here. Let's sit in here. Whoa. Oh, man. Okay. God, we need a forehead. Oh, Jesus. Forehead. Where you at? I see you. Okay. 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 Excuse me. I think we can use these back ones right here. I think we can use these. Okay. That's good. But yeah, I think we can use these. Trying to get that camera on it, but it's kind of rough, guys. Kind of rough. Okay, let's break it. Let's do it. There you have it. Up there. Oh, crap. Almost cracked my camera. I think we can use these, but they probably so busted, and it's not burnt, it's just a lot of smoke. So we probably can still use those. Hopefully we can. And that's what we'll do. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Come on. Stuff is so crazy when you're working like this. Holding the camera. Okay. 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 Oh, Lord. Yeah. We're getting it though. Alright, guys, I'm gonna sit y'all right there. Let me get this off real quick. one screw out. Okay. Two screws out. Okay. We got it. Lock those in. Lock those screws in place. Okay. Oh, we got that one out. Like I said, I think this is like the one up there. Well, wait a minute now. That feel, no, that's pretty tight. That's pretty tight, so that probably is holding in with some screws. Let's see. Hold on, guys. Let's hold in with something. Oh. Okay. Okay. That's just holding with some clips. That's just holding with some clips. Okay, now we gotta get the back ones off. The wider ones. Okay. Okay. Oh man, I broke some clips. I broke some clips. I hate when I break clips, guys. When you break clips, it's costing you money. A whole lot of money. When you do that, it's cost you money. Okay. Alright. This sucker's about ready to come out. Oh, okay. Let's do this one over here, guys. Let's see what. Oh, guys. We ain't got much time. Ain't got much time. Okay, that's a clip. Man, these clips easily break. Okay, so we got all the clips and stuff out of here. So dang, I think this thing clipped in. Yeah, this thing is pop. It's actually popped in. Okay. All right, guys. We're gonna continue this in another video. We're gonna continue this. So yeah, we're gonna continue it. Let's see. Whoa, what is that? See, something dropped on me. Watch that now, bug. Oh, all right. Oh Lord. Yeah, but gonna continue. Okay, so all these little pieces we gotta keep, but I think we are good. We are good. Like, comment, share, subscribe, share it to everybody.